Nigga shit. Other night at your crib, it was like me, Black, 40, Obi. We just sitting there talking about life. Play some beats. But I forgot to tell you one thing. Niggas call me to set you up, want me to come and wet you up. Cause you an out of town nigga like Biggie, heard about the shit with Diddy, so I came through to vest you up. And I got a vest for 40, a vest for Hush, a vest for every nigga with an owl on his chest. And what? I got LA unified. You better all commit to suicide. Teachers ain't testing us. See, I know how I feel to be platinum plus. Niggas is jealous of you, so they try to wrap you up, tax you up. But it's over your blood money, nigga. Catch these bullets like you catch the bus. Dog fame is a motherfucker. Do a nigga four famous when you came to the fifth. How soon they forget? Run up on you at your granny house, leave nine like fifth. How a nigga supposed to love you niggas? Heart beat fast when I dap it, when I hug you niggas. Dre told me not to trust you niggas. Your energy off, you finicky, I rush you niggas. Just walk around the crib like, why a nigga can't live? Get this money, fuck these bitches though. Thinking about the beef like, we can pass these motherfucking straps like a physical. This my city, nigga, everybody know it. Riding around town, just me and my 4 pounds. Something my time for is hoping I ain't gotta show it. LA niggas be the craziest. These niggas do some shady shit. Niggas will run up on your car, catch you off guard like the Lil Wayne and Baby shit. 40, I'm fucked up.
Y'all better not come to my studio with that fake shit. Y'all better not come to my funeral with that fake shit. Y'all better all realizing there's nothing that y'all can do with it. All I ever ask is keep it 80 more than 92 women want. All I ever ask is one. All I ever ask is one. Thank me later, thanks for nothing, thanks for bluffing. Thank you so much for wearing your true colors to every single fucking function. Had niggas tell me to my face how we were family and how they love me. Why they was skimming off the budget. Now when I see them, they're the ones that's acting funny. People been reaching out to me and I'm on some straight unresponsive shit. I would have so many friends if I didn't have money, respect, and accomplishments. I would have so many friends if I held back the truth and I just gave out compliments. I would have all of your fans if I didn't go pop and I stayed on some conscious shit. I would have so many more friends if I lost my success and my confidence. I'm in the club every time that they play the competition, if they even play the competition. Then I seen the response they get. Yeah, nobody's even hearing it. On top of the pyramid, might go to Jamaica, disappear again. My circle got so smarter than superior. Saying to myself, y'all better not come to my studio with that fake shit. Y'all better not come to my funeral with that fake shit. Y'all better all realizing there's nothing that y'all can do with me. All I ever ask is keep it 80 more than 92 with me 100. All I ever ask is 100. All I ever ask is 100.
Miss folks said that was my real nigga. Held a nigga down since he was a little nigga. If he was still alive, he would kill niggas. He was Lil Snoop, I was Meek Mill. Niggas know how it feel when you missing your nigga though. Can't think so we roll up that indigo. Stressing while driving down Figaro, blowing kush clouds until his ghost is in my ghost. Damn. Make a real nigga wanna get us like the God, like here we go. Screaming frog name in the clouds, they don't hear me though. Guess they too busy with Tupac and Biggie though. You niggas don't feel me though, that was on Shug's watch. I take Shug's watch. You this and Drizzy, that's cool, but don't come to my city though. Not even in H-Town. So underground that I gotta be a drill nigga. Strapped up from the waist down. That's word to Pimp C, J Prince is my real nigga. Shit was so simple when Hitchman was out. He had a young nigga right there with me. So happy when Blue Da Vinci got out. We came up on these California streets. LA niggas be the craziest. These niggas do some shady shit. Niggas will run up on your car, catch you off guard like the Lil Wayne and Baby shit. Got a nigga confused, but why a nigga gotta choose? Don't even matter, dog, cause I'ma always be a real
Ooh, X. Gucci gang, yeah, I'm a trendsetter. Gucci gang, bustin' up on your bitch, wiped it off with my sweater. Ooh, I'm a drug addict, I'm richer than my professor. Man, fuck school. Whole gang full of drug addicts.
Damn, I got one good slide.
Take a lot of shit, forgot what happened.